Hey, it's Dave Rexroth. Here's a look at your holiday forecast now going into Memorial Day weekend. Overnight tonight, 64. Partly cloudy much of the night. There's a slight chance for a shower toward morning about the time the sun's coming up. If we get that, it would just be a little opportunity here from something dying out from the west. A bit of a lull. 10 to 2 is probably the driest time of the day here, and then we start ramping things up. Scattered shower and thunderstorm possibilities in the afternoon and evening. Going to get a little heavy rain there. 85 the top temp, a little touch of a breeze south-southwest. That starts bringing in more moisture, so you'll notice the humidity on Saturday. And then I think Sunday and Monday we get pretty steamy. We're going to be in that category around 90 to 92 or 3 for extreme caution in terms of the heat index on those 2 days. And yes, it's going to be a steam bath. This is interesting too. Subtropical storm Alberto, that's just a technical definition. Think about it as a tropical storm. 40-mile-per-hour winds on the east side of the Yucatan Peninsula. Sunday morning early, so Saturday night overnight, it's in the middle of the Gulf, and looks like it probably tries to come on shore Monday afternoon or evening, somewhere around the Mississippi-Alabama border there. And that actually gives us a chance of rain on Thursday from it. So here's your 7-day forecast. 85 Saturday feels like 87. 89 Sunday feels like 92. And 90 feels like 92 on Memorial Day. Records are between 90 and 95. I don't think we set any, but we'll get close on those days. And you can see thunderstorm chances the highest on Saturday, especially in the afternoon and evening. The best day to try and do something outdoors and stay dry is probably on Memorial Day, but you got to think about the safety factor of all that heat and humidity as well. Have a good one, enjoy, and don't forget those who went before us.